How to increase Robinhood Gold Card limit. Use the Robinhood Gold Card regularly for everyday purchases to show consistent activity on the account. Pay your balance on time every month and try to pay it in full to build trust with the issuer. Keep your credit usage reasonable by avoiding maxing out the card for long periods. Maintain a good overall credit score by managing other credit cards and loans responsibly. Make sure your income information inside the app is accurate and kept up to date. Keep your account in good standing with no policy violations or missed obligations. Stay subscribed to Gold since the credit card is directly tied to the membership. Give the system time because credit limit reviews happen automatically every few months. Respond quickly if the company asks for identity or financial verification. Watch for in-app notifications because approved credit limit increases are applied automatically. Thank you for watching.